I'm Brett Sanford. I'm a vice president in CHG's People and Financial Operations division. CHG is a leader in healthcare staffing and is the nation's largest provider of locum tenens services. CHG includes 4 respected healthcare staffing brands: Comp Health, Weatherby Healthcare, RN Network, and Global Medical Staffing. And CHG also owns 2 technology companies, Modio Health and Locum Smart. And our mission at CHG is a simple one. CHG makes a difference in the lives of those we serve, our people, our providers, our clients, and our communities.
My name is Elise Gibby, and I was the business lead on our Build to Scale initiative here at CHG, and I was over the fin side of the deployment. Also helped build out the team, the business applications team that would support Workday long-term here at CHG.
My role included really everything from beginning to end, with establishing our business requirements, vendor selection and evaluation, the implementation, execution, and then launching Workday.
From an end user standpoint, we had various systems to do everything you needed to do as an employee. So if you needed to update your benefits, you had to log into a different system. If you wanted to request PTO, you had to manually email your leader and coordinate that however you wanted to. And then if you wanted to look at your payslip, it was a different login. Everything was really disjointed and very odious on the employee to try to track down and find.
We ultimately determined that Workday was the best fit for CHG and our business requirements. And because Invisors had partnered with them, they were the implementation partner that we selected.
When we started out on the implementation, our goals were to reduce some of the manual work that was taking place, to drive efficiency, and to provide a better customer experience than we were providing, as well as make it an easier experience to work here at CHG and support the system and do your job.
So Invisors scored well on our evaluation criteria, including implementation execution, staff qualifications, their responsiveness to our RFP, competitive pricing. We also thought that the Invisors sales staff was responsive to our questions and were fair throughout the process.
So we had some unique factors that Invisors had to take into account, which for us, we have competing brands in the marketplace. So we had to make sure security was set up properly so that divisions couldn't see each other's data. I think one of the key areas where we struggled was around revenue management. And Invisors was great to walk us through each of our options and to make sure that we had it structured correctly so that we could invoice our clients at go live and have it be a successful experience.
We've seen some early wins with our Workday deployment, including our open enrollment process that was highly successful just weeks after launch. Our payroll team was able to issue W-2s earlier than ever, which was a win for our people. We're also seeing people use the Workday application on their desktops, and then a lot of people are using the Workday app, which has been great.
Perhaps the most important thing that going live on Workday did for us is it showed our commitment to providing a good experience here for our employees at CHG, and that we want to give them modern tools that help them to do their job to the best of their ability.
Some advice that I would give to companies evaluating Workday deployment partners include consider having the deployment partner present and be part of the RFP process from the beginning. For a lot of companies, moving at speed is important. It was for us. And we found that by having Invisors be part of the Workday RFP process, we could move at speed.
Since we've moved to Workday, our people have said it's a game changer. The fact that they can go to one place and do all their tasks as employees has been very beneficial. Our outdated systems before just couldn't provide that same experience. And so we're happy that we're able to provide a better employee experience here at CHG and allow them to feel successful in all that they're doing.
For CHG, the process from issuing the RFP until we began the implementation with Invisors was 5 months. And we felt an important part of doing that was having Workday and Invisors come together and present the RFP.
I would absolutely refer Invisors to anybody deploying Workday. We had a great partnership. Anytime you have a deployment, it's stressful, and you need to have people you trust, that you can be honest with each other and ensure that you're getting the best out of the system that you can, and Invisors brought that to the table.